Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Genius Education again. And here is the main important point that I have to be discussed right now is about GSLV. GSLV is the geostationary satellite launched vehicle where we can put the different satellite in the particular orbit on the upper surface of the earth. Here you can see the image of GSLV, which is indigenously made by India, and before that it was Russian cryogenic stage, and further uh, in the level of second, or you can say Mark II or GSLV Mark II, that time that was endogenous cryogenic of a stage that become okay. It is basically designated as a GSLV Mark II, and rather all GSLV launches have been conducted from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, or that is in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. You can see this line too. So rather, guys, basically, this kind of GSLV is used to put satellite in a particular orbit from the Earth's surface to the different, orbit layer which is found on the different zone of the atmospheric level. Okay, so you can see this is about, we have so many different types of GSLV rockets. So that's why here I am going to tell you first line, the GSLV Mark 1. Here the first point is the first developmental flight of GSLV Mark 1 had a 129 ton, okay, which had the first stage and was capable of launching around 1500 kg into the geostationary transfer orbit. Yani the power to load of the rocket was about 1500 kg. Rather, the second developmental flight replaced it, and it's become S125 stage with 139. Alright, this 139 is replaced with 125. Okay, rather, that sorry, I'm very sorry, guys. I told you that is 139, which is replaced by 125. It was first 125, then it is converted into 139. Rather, it is basically it used the same solid motor with 138 tons propellant loading. The chamber pressure in all liquid engine were enhanced, enabling a higher propellant mass and burn time. Rather, these improvements allowed GSLV to carry an additional 300 kg of payloads. Alright, another development is written as, you see this, the fourth operational flight of GSLV Mark 1, GSLV F06, at a longer third stage called C15 with 15 tons propellant loading, and also employed a 4-meter diameter payload fairing. Okay, with that, in this launch of, that is a GSLV F11 or GSAT-7A from second launch pad of Satish Dhawan Space Center. Rather, here is a GSLV Mark II के बारे में हम थोड़ा सा जानेंगे. This variant uses an Indian cryogenic engine. It's not a Russian cryogenic engine, it's an Indian cryogenic engine. The C7.5, and it is capable of launching 2500 kg into the geostationary transfer orbit, is higher than the Mark 1. Previous GSLV launched vehicle Mark 1 has used as a Russian. After it is changed, and then it has become Indian cryogenic engine. Alright, for launch from the 2018, a 6% increased thrust version of that is Vikas engine was developed. Alright, there is a increase of 6% which has happened in the year of 2018. It was demonstrated on 29 March, and it was demonstrated, I told you here, 29 March 2018. GSAT-6 launched second stage. It was used for the 4 Vikas engine, that was 3, and it is become 4. Alright, booster on future mission. So, a 4-meter diameter ogive payload fairing was developed and deployed for the first time in the EOS. Alright, Earth Observation Satellite, which is EOS-03, launched on 12 August 2021. Although this launch was a failure due to technical anomalies, okay, within the cryogenic upper stage. Alright, this will allow GSLV vehicle to accommodate larger payloads. With that, different lines I told you here. This is about GSAT, and not GSAT, GSLV 1 and GSLV 2. You have to keep this some important points in your mind for your different examination and all this. I think this kind of video may be this knowledgeable for you guys. Thank you for joining me with this video and subscribe to Genius Education. Thank you.